It's not an everyday find. Looks like a hand grenade.
What do I do about that? I gotta call the police, no?
That's a good question. Greetings all, it's Monday, June 19th, and I'm here. J-Man is back with you here at a little park in rural county of Florida that allows metal detecting. So I've never been to this park before, and I'm going to meet a friend of mine named John that I met at Florida Hunt 8 a few years ago. So we're going to get after it. Hopefully this will be a good little place. Not a whole lot of ground, but there's a basketball court and a playground at least. And today is a holiday in some places called Juneteenth Freedom Day. So I'm glad to have this day off work so I can be out here with my buddy to detect. J-Man out. First good signal is a 25. Good 6 inches deep. Let's get it. Alright, so I think the 25 is isolated in the middle of this hole. Let's get after it. Nothing yet. Oh, here it is. Just picked it up. Looks like a coin. Nice dime. Let's see if we can get a year for you. Looks like I got it right there with my shovel. Looks like it's 2016, so we'll take it. Right near this picnic table. Been trying, and I got the dime. A few feet from that, getting a possible quarter signal. Pretty deep. 8 to 10 inches deep. Let's get it. So I dug this hole here, and I think my pinpointing was off because I'm getting nothing in this hole, but instead next to it. So I think it might just be a really shallow quarter. Let's see if we can find it here. Oh, there it is. We did get it. Okay, 69, that's good. Good sign, that's pretty old. Got a friendly native over here near the park. Gopher turtle.
Hopefully nobody runs him over.
Yeah, he might be heading the wrong way. Turtle's trying to go across the road. Close to it. And our friend Toby the turtle looks like he's going to make it. He's trying to get over to where a post office is, I think. Found some interesting glass.
Colored glass, I don't know, purple maybe? I don't know what it is. Found it in the donut.
Oh yeah, somebody, some young folks.
Like I said, I thought I saw a blue piece of glass over there.
Yeah.
Maybe they dump stuff back here in the day, I don't know.
We might have to try here a little bit because it's...
Could have been an old house here too at one time.
People did so many donuts here that the ground's lower.
Yeah.
So just outside of the park, this place where kids have been doing donuts with their cars, and the ground's a little low. We've been finding pottery and stuff. I just found something interesting, very heavy. It's like a giant nut, maybe? Maybe this will clean up. I don't know if it's a hubcap or a nut. I think it's a nut. A really big one. Alright, here we go. John found a bottle here.
A little whiskey bottle.
Wow, that looks cool.
There you go.
It has some numbering on it.
Screw top. So it's
Okay, so
probably from like ABC or something, you know?
so it's not too old.
No.
But still, it's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Intact.
Just out in where they did all the donuts, I'm just following that pattern. That's awesome.
So it says CC on it.
Yeah, right here. 10 cc's, 5 cc's, and 0.
Huh. So now we're thinking it's a medicine bottle.
It's got something else here, I can't make it out.
Wow.
Some other markings. 3, 2, 1. Something down here. Yeah, I guess it's some kind of little medicine bottle.
Wow.
Or something.
I'll try to do more research on it. We could ask our friend Don, the swamp rat.
Diamond Eye.
Oh, okay. That's pretty old, I think.
With a D. And there's something else over here. I can't make it out because there's dirt in there.
I think that might go back to the 30s.
Here. You can have that one.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
There might be another one down here.
That is cool. These are old too, I'm thinking. I'm no expert, but I think they're from the 30s or 40s. Well, thanks. So John is on a real good spot here. He keeps pulling up bottles, and then he pulled up this. And you can see ICK for Buick. It's seen better days, but maybe there's enough there with electrolysis it could be restored a bit. Pretty cool, an old Buick hubcap piece. No telling what else might come up here. Now I got this shepherd mix that came up. He's been watching us work on this bottle dump that my friend John found. So John's gonna go see if he has a water bottle or something to give him a little water. So John convinced me to try bottle dump digging, but before I could get too far, I saw a coin poking up over here. Right there on the side of this area I've been working. I think that's a quarter, but let me rinse it off and tell you more in a second.
Man, it's broke. 95, 60, 75.
Oh yeah. Okay everybody, so good news.
That is awesome, man.
What I thought was a quarter is actually a good luck token. You can see the good luck symbol that predates World War II when the Nazis used that symbol, unfortunately. And on the other side it says good luck around the edges. I think it says Madam King or something like that, but I'm gonna have to try to gently clean it up and tell you a lot more in the wrap up. Very exciting. J-Man out. Hey everyone, so right after I found that token, I double checked my hole with a pinpointer and I didn't show it live, unfortunately. But I found this buffalo nickel, so I'm very excited about that. You can see the 5 cents clearly on the back. See if I can tell you the year. I'll bring you back on in a second. So the year on this Indian head buffalo nickel, the year on it is 1925. So we found some old stuff in here for sure, and we're going to keep going. Okay, also over there you can see some nice railroad tracks and some ties of it. And then there's a shuffleboard court, and an old timer told us about this location near the park we're trying. So, wouldn't you know it, I think I'm finding a railroad spike right next to the shuffleboard court. Just a metal detecting assisted eye find. Let's see if that's what that is. Can you see it? You pry it up here. Right there. Yep. All right. Oh, I was glad to get a railroad spike. This one has a spike in the end of it. That was cool. Let's see what else there is. It's not an everyday find. Looks like a hand grenade.
What do I do about that? I gotta call the police, no?
That's a good question. Greetings all, J-Man is back with you from Metal Sharks, and this is a wrap-up from my hunt on June 19th. So I got 3 railroad spikes, as you can see, and I'm always glad to get those. Hope to clean them up one day. And then this was interesting. Pry up, I don't know if that's very old, but the best 2 finds of the day are right up here. And one of them on the right there is an Indian head nickel, and it's from 1925. As you can see right there. So I'm glad to get that. And then this was a advertising token for a doll, a Madame Hendren talking and walking doll. You can see some of the wording there. And the hole is how it came, because it was attaches a tag to the doll or a necklace to the doll. And then on the back it has the good luck symbol that was taken over by the Nazis, unfortunately, during World War II. But before that was a widely used good luck symbol. And I'll tell you a little bit more about it right here. And then for coins, I got this quarter from 1969, as you can see, 4 modern dimes and 3 modern pennies. And then a couple of these things are things that my friend John gave me, but this is a battery piece. And this is an old spring that I found near some railroad tracks, an old mattress spring. Now this, I believe, is some kind of medicine bottle. So I'm going to try to do a little more research on that. It's got measurement indicators right there. And then 3, that says 3SS on the back. So that was really neat that my friend John found that and gave it to me. And then I got this one toy airplane, a little plant piece. And then over here, some of the heavy stuff. This big nut was what helped us find a good area. So if nothing else, it did that. Because when we found that, that's when we started finding other things like the tokens. And then this is a big piece of pipe or something, or maybe a survey marker. And some of this glass I'll probably throw away, but I need to clean it up, make sure I'm not missing anything good. As you can see, some of the ceramic or china pieces had little patterns on them. Some of the broken glass had patterns too. So that's about it. It was a very fun hunt, and I hope you enjoyed it. J-Man out.